Here's how to make hot honey Carolina Gold barbecue chicken. To brine the chicken, combine cold water, kosher salt, and brown sugar. Whisk that until the salt is dissolved. Then add in crushed garlic cloves, a whole lemon, peppercorns, fresh thyme, and bay leaves. Add in your chicken that's been split in half and let this brine in your fridge for 24 hours. For the hot honey Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, mix together yellow mustard, Dijon mustard, a touch of ketchup, brown sugar, hot honey, or you can do regular honey with a tablespoon of red chili flakes, then apple cider vinegar, onion and garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Cook this over low heat for 10 minutes. When you're ready to cook your chicken, remove it from the brine and pat it dry. Drizzle the chicken with oil on both sides and lightly season it with your preferred barbecue rub. Heat your Charbroil Commercial Series 2-burner grill to 350 degrees and add on the chicken. Cook the chicken over medium heat, flipping it often to develop even browning and until the thickest part of the chicken reaches 165 degrees. For the last few minutes of cooking, brush on about 3 layers of the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. Remove the chicken from the grill, then brush on another layer of the hot honey Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, and now it's ready to enjoy.